If you want to learn how to make decisions without overthinking, you need to change the way you look at a menu. You are standing in a restaurant in a cold sweat or scrolling through Netflix for 45 minutes unable to pick a single movie, completely paralyzed because you are terrified of making the wrong choice. You convince yourself that you're just being careful. But why can't you make simple decisions anymore? It's because your brain is caught in a hidden mental lock, and your energy is entirely empty. Here is the exact physical trick to break the freeze loop in under 60 seconds. To unlock your mind right now, you must completely abandon the idea of finding the perfect choice. Your brain is a computer, and it physically crashes when you force it to process infinite variables at the same time. The immediate fix is to predetermine a strict baseline of good enough rules before you look at a single option, and force your hands to execute on the very first choice that ticks those boxes. This is a proven engineering shortcut for your mind. Stop looking for the best and start looking for the match. Most overthinkers fail here because they believe that scanning more options makes them safer. It doesn't. Psychology shows there are two types of minds: the shoppers who must analyze every single item on Earth to guarantee a deal, and the matchers who set a rule and walk away the second it's met. The first type of shoppers spend triple the energy making a simple choice, yet they consistently experience massive regret and worry because their brain remains trapped wondering if a better option existed somewhere else. To train your brain out of the trap today, use the 3-step boundary filter on your very next choice. Step 1. Write down your non-negotiables first. If you are ordering food, decide in advance. It must be under $20, arrive in 15 minutes, and have protein. Step 2. Trigger the stop search filter. Look at options one by one and force your hands to stop scrolling the exact millisecond an item meets those 3 rules. Step 3. Burn the bridge. Close the tabs, put the phone face down, and make the choice permanent. If a decision is reversible, your brain will continue running background programs all night, keeping you anxious. Decision anxiety isn't a personality flaw. It's just the cost of a tired mind trying to optimize an infinite world. You cannot think your way into clarity, but you can build a boundary system to protect your attention. Put the menu down. Stop tracking the endless variables. If you want to keep breaking through your behavioral glitches and reclaiming your mental clarity one deliberate step at a time, subscribe to Anxious Lines.